Hello everyone! I'm glad that you're here. I finally did the tutorial video, wow. So before we start, I just want to say this anime tutorial will cover the very basic of the drawing. If you already know this basic of the drawing, like how simple shapes and lines can turn into AIM artworks, if you already know this basic of the drawing, then you can skip this part and continue from upcoming parts. So if you want to start, or just starting to draw anime or manga, these series of tutorials will help you. And now let's begin. So ready your pencil and paper and draw along with me. To start your practice, you don't go with the complicated techniques right away. Always start small, condition your weapon. In our case, as an artist, our primary weapon is our hand and pencil. We must sharpen it. How? By drawing basic shapes. For now, let's do lines and circle. Just draw random circles on your paper. Do it with just a single stroke. Now this is a bit harder because we are going to draw the circle in uniform size. Put lines on your paper and draw the circle. Again, do it with a single stroke. Don't use any measuring tools like compass or protractor. Don't worry if it's not a perfect circle. Do not do this. This is a bad habit. Don't chicken scratch your circle. Be confident when you draw shapes. Do this. Practice your single stroke. You can draw it over and over as long as it's one stroke. Do this for 2 to 3 pages. If your hand feels tired, just rest for a bit. Now, next are the straight lines. Let's do the vertical first. Once again, fill the whole page. Always use single stroke, don't speed up. Again, no measuring tools like rulers. Again, do not do this. Do this. Draw a line in single stroke. Why my all line are becoming curved? I should practice more in my drawing lines. Do the same on the horizontal lines. You may wonder why we do all of this. It's to improve your free hand skills. Again, just like in vertical line, we don't make chicken scratch in horizontal lines also. be confident and finish lines on single stroke. Freehand drawing is the art of creating images or designs using only your hand and a drawing implement, such as a pencil or pen, without relying on tools like rulers, compasses, or stencils. This method emphasizes personal skill and spontaneity, allowing for more fluid and expressive lines. That's why we're focusing on freehand drawing. It will help you quickly create sketches and develop backgrounds with greater ease and flexibility, allowing for more spontaneous and dynamic results. Sometimes when we need to do backgrounds, we just have to do freehand them. Creating a single sketch should ideally take only a few seconds, allowing you to capture the essence of your subject quickly and efficiently. This rapid approach helps you maintain momentum and encourages a more intuitive and fluid drawing process. Always incorporate conditioning exercises into your drawing practice by focusing on completing each line or circle with a single fluid stroke. This practice enhances your precision and control, promotes smoother and more confident hand movements, and minimizes the need for frequent corrections. By reinforcing this skill, you'll build a more intuitive and consistent drawing technique. Next, I'll demonstrate how to draw a head using circles and lines as foundational tools. This approach simplifies the process of constructing a head by breaking it down into basic shapes and guidelines. Stay tuned for the upcoming video, where I'll show you how to refine these initial shapes into a detailed face.